Bonjour tout le monde, c'est moi, madame. Let's learn how to introduce ourselves to other people and to introduce other people to our friends. So let's start with how to introduce a friend to another friend. These are people that you would call by their first names. We'll use the phrase je te présente. Répétez. Je te présente. Here are some examples of how you can use it. Pierre, je te présente ma copine Sylvie. Pierre, I introduce to you my friend Sylvie. Maman, je te présente mon camarade de classe Guy. Mom, I present to you my classmate Guy. René, je te présente mon ami Étienne. René, I present to you my friend Étienne. How would these people respond? Usually when people meet each other and they're about the same age, they'll just say bonjour or salut to each other. They'll probably shake hands. What if you want to introduce a friend to another adult? Remember that you are introducing the friend to the adult and not the adult to the friend. You're presenting the friend to the adult. Because we are going to be calling this person with the vous form of the word, we have to use je vous présente instead of je te présente. Let's try it. Je vous présente. Here are some examples. Monsieur Masson, je vous présente ma copine Sylvie. Mr. Masson, I present to you my friend Sylvie. Madame Renaud, je vous présente mon camarade de classe Guy. Mrs. Renaud, I present to you my classmate Guy. Madame Babineau, je vous présente mon ami Étienne. Miss Babineau, I present to you my friend Étienne. Here are the same sentences, but with a little bit more formal phrase. Instead of je vous présente, I present to you, this is je voudrais vous présenter. Répétez, je voudrais vous présenter. It literally says, I would like to present to you. It's a little bit more formal. Here's what they sound like. Same sentences, just changing that phrase. Monsieur Masson, je voudrais vous présenter ma copine Sylvie. Madame Renaud, je voudrais vous présenter mon camarade de classe Guy. Madame Babineau, je voudrais vous présenter mon ami Étienne. And how would they respond? Usually they'll say bonjour to each other, but to make it just a little more formal, they might say enchanté. Répétez, enchanté. So let's try it together. In a live class, we would be dragging the icon, but let's just listen and see if we can figure it out. On the left-hand side, we have children meeting each other for the first time, so to represent teenagers. And then on the right-hand side, we have adults meeting adults for the first time to represent adults. Okay, so I will say a sentence, and let's see if you can figure out which side it goes to, students or adults. Pierre, je te présente mon amie Sylvie. Je te présente. These are students. Madame, je vous présente mon ami Pierre. Je vous présente. This is a student being introduced to an adult. Monsieur Daniel, je voudrais vous présenter mon ami Guy. Je voudrais vous présenter. This is a student being introduced to an adult. Merci. Hopefully we can practice this some more in class. If you have any questions, please drop them in our Google Meet chat or on Google Classroom with this video. Or you can email me. Au revoir.